Welcome to Gavin's Home Kitchen. Today I'm making a classic pea and ham soup. Simple, hearty and full of flavour. So let's get cooking. This pea and ham soup is using really simple ingredients. I've got some onion, celery and carrot, a ham hock, bit of butter and some split peas that I've soaked in the water in the fridge overnight and I've drained and rinsed off this morning. First, melt 50 grams of butter. We'll use this to cook our onions, carrots and celery and build the base of the soup. It's simple, but it makes all the difference. Next we're going to throw in our onions. Just get them all in there. Give them a bit of a stir in. We're wanting to cook these for probably about 10 minutes before we add anything else. Just let all that butter soak up some of that onion and it's going to give it some beautiful flavour. I've just used one whole onion for this. This is just like one of my all-time favourite soups. So I remember as a kid my mum making it all the time and just have the pot sitting there and it'd probably last 4 or 5 days, a pot of this soup. She'd make it in this massive saucepan. And us kids all loved it. We're just going to let that cook off for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to add in our carrot and celery. So once we've given our onions about 10 minutes in the butter, next we're adding in our carrot. So I've just got a couple of carrots that I've diced up. And a couple of stalks of celery. I'm just going to mix those in. And it's just the same again. Give these about another 10 minutes. And already we've got this beautiful flavour coming off the vegetables that we've put in. This is smelling really good. Now, if you haven't done so already, give us a like and subscribe. We're a new channel. We're looking to grow. We're loving bringing you this content. I love being in the kitchen. I love being able to share my recipes with everyone. It's smelling just like my mum used to make and I can't wait to taste it when it's ready. Now that we've given that 10 minutes, it's time to go in with our peas. So pop all that in. There's a lot of peas, 500 grams worth of green split peas. You can use yellow as well. Like that. Beautiful. Oh, get them all in there. Put a little bit of a well in the middle there. So we've got our peas in. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our ham as well. And then what we want to do is add in enough water to cover everything. It's roughly about 2.5 to 3 litres should do it. That'll do. Now I've got all the ingredients in there. I've covered it with water. I'm going to leave it on low for about 2 hours. That'll help cook the meat and that should just fall apart when I take it out. So I'll see you when it's ready. So I've let this cook so far for about 1 hour. You'll see on top there's a little sort of whitish sort of foam. It's called scum. We just want to remove that. So we're just going to get our slotted spoon and just pull that out. Just dump it into a bowl, it's fine. Don't stress if you don't get it all. It's all good. Get as much off as you can. You can do this throughout the cooking process itself too, just remove it every 10 or so minutes, but I've just left it for now. If you find that the water is evaporating too quick, you can add some extra water to it. This one at the moment's completely fine though. Now one last optional step, and you don't need to do this, I just do it for mine because it makes it more hearty, more meat for the kids as well, is I've got a 500 gram ham off the bone that I've just bought in the supermarket. Bunged it in the oven on 180 for about 20 minutes just to cook it a little bit. And you can just put this into the soup as well. And this will just give it a lot more sort of meaty flavour to it. Whoops, just be careful. But now I'm going to leave this for about another hour. Any scum that comes up I'll just remove as it goes along. But I'll see you in an hour to see our final soup. So our pea and ham soup has had 2 hours to simmer now. So what we need to do, obviously remove the ham hock out of there. You need to do that carefully because it is going to be hot. We need to let that cool down as well before we can shred it. While we're letting that cool down, I'm just going to give this a bit of a stir. While my ham hock's cooling down, I'm just taking my potato masher and I'm just breaking up some of the peas just to give it a little bit more the green texture to it. You can use a stick blender as well. I've got one in the pantry, but I'll just do it with this. And this is going to thicken up as well as it cools down a little bit. Now you'll see there's some meat chunks in this soup. That's because I had a 500 gram smoked ham in the fridge. So I threw that in the oven for about 20 minutes at 180 and I chopped up and actually added into the soup because this is going to be for the boys to eat for dinner tonight and I want it to have a little bit more meat in it for them. They're grown boys. But we'll wait for this to cool down. We'll shred it up and then add everything that's in this pan back into the soup. So once your bones had time to cool down and you've taken all the meat off, just shred it up with a couple of forks. You end up with all this beautiful, nice ham hock. And all we're going to do is add this back into our soup. Oh, it's looking good. Just add in gently so I don't splash everywhere. So, I'm going to add some pepper, and I add a bit of Worcestershire sauce to mine as well. Let's give it a... Oh yeah, look at that. Yum. The only thing left to do now is dig in and have a taste. That looks so good. That is sensational. That has got so much flavour. Definitely a good, nice hearty soup for the family. This has been another Gavin's Home Kitchen recipe. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Helps our channel grow and we really appreciate the support. But we'll see you at the next recipe. Bye for now.